I want to give you one example.
Yes, sure.
So you talked about, we can have a conflict between the two team members.
Yes.
But what if I say the team is doing perfectly nice, but the problem part is with the managerial, the person on the managerial level or the leadership? How one or the team members can actually resolve this situation if the problem persists in the managerial part?
Now, when the team is one layer,
Yes.
and more hierarchy we have is another layer.
Yes.
There is a very nice Stephen Covey, Seven
Okay.
Habits of Highly Effective
Yes.
People. Yeah.
Yes.
You have different circles. What are the things that are in your control? What are the things that you can influence it?
Yes.
And what are the things that you cannot control?
Yes.
So when we are doing retrospectives in the team, people are coming up with the nice ideas. We're going to revolutionize the team and all those things. And then I ask them, where do you put this in which area?
Yes. So identification of that area is important.
Identification is important because, as I mentioned earlier, the change starts from self-awareness. We cannot just go go
blindfolded.
yeah. So in a way that if the conflict is at the managerial level and the team is being affected, then this is a part. The manager of the team, the scrum master or the coach, the team coach of that team can help facilitate a discussion.
Yeah. So the communication is the key there.
Communication is the key, but it's very similar to one if you're growing any vegetables or even that seed has the strength of bearing that fruit.
Absolutely.
But if you do not prepare the soil, it will not produce anything.
Absolutely.
So all the farmers spent a lot of time is into preparing the soil with all the urea and the ingredients.
Yes.
And similarly, when the conflict happens, that I think conflict could be very beneficial because that gives you an opportunity to do some improvement.
All right.
Now, there are two extremes of the conflict. One is you totally say whatever you want to say. Other extreme is let's stay silent. Let's be it is like this, what works in the team and the organization. And other is like a lot of fights, but it's more about conflict control. You take the middle ground in a way that you are trying to have a conversation with the people. And that's where these leadership capabilities I mentioned, people skills can really help you.
Yes.
And I think creating that culture is important.
It's important. Where you can raise the voice against those things and have the communication.
I would rephrase it in a way, not to voice against them, but more of you have the possibility to highlight it.
Highlight it,
yeah. In a way, because sometimes we have to be mindful about the wording. Otherwise, there might be another. It's a nice book, and it's not what you say, it's how you say it.